Yo guys, today I'm gonna do something crazy and make 5 songs in 25 minutes. Never done before. Well, someone probably did it, but I'm gonna do it with EDM. Also, this video is brought to you by Skillshare. More on that later. Now here is my timer set to 25 minutes. It's not gonna be 5 minutes per song, it's gonna be 25 minutes overall, and I'm gonna fit in 5 songs in there. And by the way, we're going to preview all of the songs at the end of the video. So I'm gonna start the timer right now. Okay, so the first song, let's get to it. It's gonna be EDM, probably like Future House. Let's start with the kick. So just choose a kick, find a drum loop, top loops, 128 BPM, change it to the 128. Take my sweet time choosing the right loop. Now we have this. Okay, lower the volume, choose another clap. So main claps. I like this one. Just put it like this, put it in the playlist, make sure the volume is right. The kick is probably too loud. You know, we have time doing the mixing. Clap, also lower that. Okay, so these are not gonna be full songs, of course. It's gonna be like the main idea, the drop. So now let's also add some effects while we are here. Sweeps down. Again, taking my time here, which is probably not the best impacts. Okay, let's just put an impact here. Lower the in. Okay, so we have the drum loop. How much time we got? 2 minutes, okay. Let's add Nexus. Nexus is gonna save us here because you have good sounds right off the bat. So I'm gonna go with a sub bass. But also, let's go with brass. Okay, so I'm just gonna add a melody. Also, let's put this on channel number 5 and sidechain it. Important step. I don't like this. Okay, still we have 1 more minute for this first song. It's sounding weird so far. I think the F chord again. That's our melody right there. And now we add the sub bass, which is probably just the lower notes. Okay, that sounds good. Let's see, we're gonna add the hi-hats later, like so. Just copy this and make a reverse sweep here. So yeah, I'm going fast. And just connect it. Let's hear. Okay, it's too loud. Okay, we are over 1 minute, so we're gonna have to be faster in the next song. But I still wanna add something to this one. Okay, this is gonna be crazy, but I'm gonna add it anyways. I'm gonna do this. So yeah, I'm gonna use the things from this song in the next song, so it's gonna be faster. Okay, but I wanna do this effect here. Okay, I'm gonna enable swing as well. Okay, so yeah, this is our first song right here. Let's hear it here. Okay, I still want to work on it for some reason. I sort of like it, you know. But yeah, I swear I'm gonna make these 5 songs in time. Pause the timer, the first song is done, but before we continue, here is a message from our sponsor. So if you guys want to learn more about music theory, music production, check out our sponsor today, which is Skillshare. Skillshare is a platform where you can, you guessed it, learn new skills. There is tons of skills you can learn, but I think we like this one the most, music. There are many classes on music production, and these are not just like short YouTube videos, these actually explain everything to you in detail. Whether you want to learn more about playing the piano, getting more streams on Spotify, or learning more about music production, Skillshare has it all. Right now, I would recommend this class, Music Theory for Songwriters, From Beginner to Producer by Mike Barnes. So this is a great class if you want to learn more about music theory and apply that to your music production. So, if you want to get access to this class or any other class on Skillshare, check out the link in the description below. The first 1,000 people who click the link will get a 1-month free trial of Skillshare. That means you get access to this class and every other class on Skillshare. So check it out, link is below, and now let's get back to the video. Okay, the first song is done, so I'm gonna do new arrangement, 2-song, whatever, and we're gonna go with the second one. So first one took us 8 minutes. So yeah, we gotta be faster now. So I'm gonna reuse the same kick, why not? And I'm gonna use a different loop, of course. So we are not doing the same thing. Okay, why not? Something more unique. I'm keeping the BPM the same. All of these are gonna be similar type of track. And now let's, what am I looking for? I don't know. Not that. Not that. I don't know how I ended up in this section, but I gotta get out of there. Okay, we're gonna do brass hit. It's gonna be maybe lower. So we started on G. Now copy the Nexus, and this is gonna be our sub bass, I guess. So we started on G, I lowered it by 2, so it's F. It needs to be sidechained. Okay. Okay, I like that melody. Okay, we can automate that modulation wheel. Just need to find it. It's right here. Okay, so like this. Again, that. Use the same hit. What is this? Okay. What happened? How did that? Back. Something is messed up there, but whatever. Okay, we need a clap. Okay, I want one more percussion. How much time we got? Oh no, this is bad. Damn, I want the details. Yeah, this is what I need. I think that's... Okay, the second song is done. Whatever that is. Song, free song. So yeah, we gotta go faster. Same kick. No time to change the kick. Actually, let's change the kick. Why not? Kicks, EDM kicks, house kicks. Okay, this is gonna be like a booming kick. So I'm gonna start with the melody now. I'm gonna go to bass. This sound. It's like a club song. We have 11 minutes. Yeah. That's my melody. Again, I want to automate the modulation wheel so we can mess around with it. And then let's add cymbals. Why not? Again, a clap. Then my hands are sweaty. Creative clap. Okay, let's go with something crazy. Why not? Probably a bad idea. Yeah, a bad idea. Let's make a hi-hat loop real quick. Okay, and we have an interesting song here. And one more thing, some effect. Come on. Sweeps and risers. I want long. Okay. This is it. This is the third song. So yeah, song number 3 for song. How much time? 9 minutes. Okay, we are catching up. So we have some time. I mean, not really, but yeah, I'm lost. We're gonna listen to all the songs afterwards, of course. So let's make this one. Let's quickly do like percussion. Nexus again. Let's do piano. I don't know, that's probably a bad idea. Whatever. So let's do chords. Okay, this is gonna be the worst one. How much time we got? 6 minutes, okay. This is gonna be the disaster. So let's take a lead or pluck or something. I don't know. Let's just slap it in here. This is my song. Not great, not great. Okay, forget this one. Let's go to the next one, last one, 5th song. Let's take this kick. What did I just do? Yeah, I need to create a new pattern. 5 minutes pretty much for this song. Go to drum loops again. Fuck it, let's just use this one and maybe... No time, no time. Okay, tambourine. Slap that in there. This is intense. We're gonna do effects, exhaust. Yeah, sure, why not? Put it on channel 5, so it's sort of a white noise. And now Nexus again. This project is a mess. And let's see. Let's do brass again. It's brass time. I don't know what I'm doing. I have no melody in my head. 4 is the maximum. This is a bad moment. Let's add a sub bass. Oh my god, what am I doing? 1 minute 30. Okay, we can do it. Just a melody. "30 seconds. Okay, time's up. Finally, I can breathe. Oh, my hands, man. This was intense. But I did it. 5 song ideas in 25 minutes. So yeah, let's have a listen to all of these and let's see what we came up with. Song number 1. This was actually pretty nice. I was feeling good, but then it was going downhill from there. Anyways, song number 1. Okay, that's song number 1. Not the best one, actually. But, you know, the idea is there. We have a lot of sounds in here. but the melody is pretty wacky, you know. Now let's go to song number 2. I don't even know what this is. I don't remember. I was like in a trance. I don't remember anything. So yeah, song number 2. Okay, this song has a vibe, you know? It's like a deep underground club song. So I like this one. This one is actually pretty cool. Let's take a look at song number 3. Anyways, what do we got? Okay, I actually love this one though. So this one is really simple idea, but the sound is cool and the melody is cool as well. So I'm just gonna extend it and let's have a listen one more time, you know. Okay, I really like this one. I might actually finish this idea. Let me know which one of these I should finish in the next video. Let's take a look at song number 4. I think this is the worst one. This is the piano. I panicked and there is no sweeps or anything. So let's have a listen. Yeah, the chord progression, I don't know. I don't have anything good to say about this one. It sort of shows the emotion that I had while I was making it. Pretty stressed out, you know. So song number 5, I tried to like make a good one at the end, but it's not amazing. Let's have a listen though. Okay, it is what it is. I like the sounds, it's just the composition and melodies shit. But the mix and the sounds is pretty good actually. My favorite was this one. But this one is also good, and the first one. I think 2 and 3 are my favorites. Let me know what are your favorites, and I hope you enjoyed this weird little video. But anyways, make sure to check out Skillshare, link is below, get your 1-month free trial. But other than that, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.